Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss C again. Now for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang direct application versus application with recruitment agencies in the Philippines. Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss C again. Now for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang direct application versus application with recruitment agencies in the Philippines. Maraming kasing nagtatanong, alin ba daw mas okay gawin? Mas okay ba daw ang direct application or with the help of recruitment agencies? Now personally, doesn't matter para sa akin kasi kung saan ka komportable, kung saan mas easy sa'yo, mas madali sa'yo gawin, dun ka. But for the sake of this video, let's try to analyze what are the pros and cons, what are the advantages of or disadvantages of doing direct application or with recruitment agencies. Now, first on my list is the cost. Now, sa cost, syempre, if you do direct application, minimal lang yung fees na babayaran mo. While when you do it with agencies, you have to pay a lot kasi you have to pay for their services, for their processing fees. So it costs a lot. It's like gonna cost you around 300 to 400,000 pesos. Yun yung sabi ng mga kakilala ko. So when it comes to cost, mas okay yung direct application. Now second, when you do direct application, you do it yourself. When you say you do it yourself, you do research. You have to be persistent. You have to be determined, patient, and it takes a lot of effort to do direct application. Hindi siya madali. Kailangan mo dito ay yung sipag at tiyaga. Kasi you do it on your own. Walang tutulong sa'yo. While when you go with agencies, guided ka. They're gonna send you the list of the documents that you have to submit, the dates when to submit that, the process that you have to do, what are the priority papers that you have to do, what are the things that you have to scan, lahat. Sila yung mag-email sa'yo kung ano yung gagawin mo. So you are guided step by step in the application. Third one, when you do direct application, kailangan mong maging resourceful. Kailangan mong manood ng mga YouTube vlogs. Kailangan mong mag-search ng mga websites, ng mga links. Kailangan mong mag-join ng mga groups, like sa FB groups, kailangan mong mag-join. Kasi doon marami kang mapagtatanungan. You have to do effort kung mag-direct application ka. Now, while if you go with agencies, links are provided. So, bibigyan ka na nila ng links, i-email sa inyo ang link, tapos doon ka papasok, doon mo isi-send yung mga documents mo, so no sweat. They're just gonna email you that. Fourth one, when you do direct application, there's no specific timeline. Hindi mo malalaman kung kailan ka magsisimula, kailan ka matatapos, kailan ka i-call for interviews, kailan mo isa-submit yung mga papers mo. You're not gonna know the exact time kung kailan matatapos yung application mo. While when you do with recruitment agencies, time-bounded sila. Like they give you the estimated time, the estimated processing time of your application. Like from this month to this month, ito yung time kung saan isubmit mo yung mga documents mo. Now from this particular month to this particular month, ito yung time kung saan gagawin na yung mga interviews with the districts and with the school principals. Sa direct application, hindi mo malalaman yan kasi ikaw lang yung nagpapasa. You have to submit all the documents by yourself. You have to submit it in the district, to the principals, to the HR departments, and you're not gonna know kung mag-email back ba sila sa iyo or kailan kanila tatawagin for interview, kailan kayo bibigyan ng job offer. So, there's no specific time for direct application. Kumbaga, you're gonna be waiting in vain for that. While when you go with recruitment agencies, meron kang hihintayin na time na kung saan i-email sila sa iyo if natanggap ka or wala. So that's just it for today, guys. So Yun lang yung mga share ko about direct application or with recruitment agencies. Nasa sa inyo yan kung saan kayo pupunta. Ako personally, I went through direct application kasi wala akong pera for the recruitment agencies. I don't have the money para bayaran sila. So, I opted to do direct applications. Mahirap? Yes. But, I did it. So, if I did it, why not you? Go for it. So that's it for today's video, guys. So if you have some comments and questions, just put it on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell too para updated ka sa mga next videos ko.